filming a Sunday reset. For the afternoon, my husband is taking the girls to their grandparents so that they're going to be spending the rest of the day there, and then they're going to be back for dinner. So I have basically the rest of the afternoon for myself to get things done, to rest, whatever I want or need to do. So the first things that I think immediately that I want to do are to do productive things, because that's what we do when we're moms. We just try to squeeze in as much as possible in time that we have. So I want to get like several things done. I was already listing down all the things that I need to do, but at the same time, I also just really want to have a little bit of a break. Now that I have a breather, I can take some time to do some things for myself. And so one of the things that I really want to do today is to meal prep several meals, and I already started with cooking something for lunch. So that's going to be one of the meals that I'm prepping, and I'm going to also have that for my lunch. So I was thinking that to be able to have a little bit of me time, I'm going to have my lunch while I'm watching something, and I saw that there's a new Kardashians season that I haven't seen yet. I'm so happy that that's there, and it comes in a perfect time because now I have something to watch while I'm enjoying my lunch. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to continue meal prepping. I think I want to meal prep 2 to 3 meals today so that we have several meals for the rest of the week, and I would have to do very minimal cooking for the rest of the week. And that's what I always plan to do every week, to meal prep several things in one day, so I have like less to do in the next days. I changed a little bit what I've been prepping for the weeks now that it's much warmer these days, because it's a summer here, and so it's very warm outside, and we want to keep the inside as cool as possible so it's not like the heat coming in. And when I'm cooking something, obviously it gets warm as well in the kitchen. So I've switched, and now I'm focusing more on colder types of food, and it's not something that I've been doing ever. I usually make hot foods even when it's hot. But I'm going to focus more on incorporating more cold foods like sandwiches and cold pastas and stuff like that into our weekly menu. I'm still going to be cooking some warm food because I just love warm food, but I'm going to incorporate some of the cold food as well to balance it out, and so it's not just making our house warmer when it's already so warm outside. And I've been finding that cold foods are much easier to make than hot foods. So I'm happy about that, because it means that I'm going to be spending a little bit less time cooking and prepping and all the things, and going to have more time to do other things and to maybe enjoy outside as well, to enjoy the nice sunny weather outdoors, which only lasts like 2 months in this place. So I want to make the most out of it, and I also want to spend more time by myself but also with my family outdoors. So I'm going to try to squeeze in as many outdoor time as possible. So once I'm done with meal prepping, I'm probably going to be eating my snack, because I always have a snack in the afternoon. And then once I have that break, I also want to get some vacuuming done if I still have some time, depending on when they're home. So I want to just vacuum all of the floors upstairs, downstairs, because it's Sunday and I usually get vacuuming done in one of the weekends to make sure that it's done. I try to vacuum like twice a week, because especially we have a baby crawling around everywhere. She gets just everywhere these days, just fast too. So I just want to make sure that things are clean, but I don't want to put pressure on myself to do it like every single day, because I know that that's just not realistic for me. So I do it twice a week. I'm also going to be doing some laundry, because as you know, if you're a mom too, that laundry is never ending and we always need to be doing laundry all the time. So I just want to do some load of laundry, maybe 1 or 2 loads of laundry. We'll see how much we get done with that, and then maybe fold a little bit of laundry, and then maybe I can fold while watching another episode of Kardashians to get myself motivated to fold some laundry, because I just don't like folding laundry. I love doing the laundry, I don't mind putting it in the machine and whatever, but just folding laundry is just so boring. And then I need to put them away, of course, which is even worse. I don't like ironing clothes either these days because it's so hot. In the winter, I really don't mind ironing clothes, but in the summer, it's just too warm to be ironing clothes. So I'm trying to avoid that as much as possible. Also, I almost forgot, we are going on our family holiday next week, so I'm so excited about that as well. By the time that you watch this, we're probably on holiday. So that's very exciting because it's our first family holiday as a family of 4. It's crazy because I'm thinking about it and I'm now 10 months postpartum. My baby is going to be 1 and 2 months. It's so crazy to think that last year I was pregnant. I was like double my size right now. And almost a year ago I gave birth. It's so crazy that was like a whole year ago already, all those things. And I really look at it with fondness because I loved being pregnant. I love the whole pregnancy. I had a good pregnancy and a good labor actually even. And I had just really had a positive experience. And I actually miss it sometimes. I actually miss that time of just having my baby and feeling her little kicks and stuff and her reactions like in my belly. It's so cute. And obviously I'm just even more happy now that she's right here with me because she's so adorable. But it's also just such a bittersweet feeling, you know, when you realize that your baby is growing up so fast. They just grow up way too fast, especially that first year. And we have a little birthday party planned for her as well. I'm still in the process of curating like the different decorations that we want to include in her birthday, but we've already ordered the cake. We already have a plan for the food. We already informed the guests. So I think we're almost done with the decorations part. I just need to go through like my mental list of things to do for her birthday still. I already have her dress, her sister's dress as well. I'm probably just gonna find something in my wardrobe for me and my husband. And I think we're pretty much ready for her birthday, which is so crazy. But yeah, next week we're going to have our first family vacation. I'm so excited because the last time we had a vacation with my toddler, now toddler, when she was a baby, she was also around the same age, the first time we had a vacation with her, and it was so sweet, it was so cute, and she did so well. We were so proud of her. We are so proud of her. They both do really well with travel actually, so I'm not worried about that at all. I think that they're going to do amazing. So I'm just worried in the sense of that, like, I want to make sure that I'm able to bring everything that we need to bring. I'm not forgetting anything. I'm able to do everything that I need to do, that I'm, you know, there's just some few things that I still need to order and that I still need to come in, and it's like a week. We only have a week before we can do that. I also need to do a lot of packing. I need to do some planning for like the itinerary of things that I want to see and do and stuff. We're going to keep that very casual because we're going to be in an all-inclusive, so we're just going to be chilling for like a week, and that's gonna be amazing because I don't get to chill for a week. That's gonna be so nice to have just a break from chores and making food and all that, just relaxing, more time with the family and all that. So that's gonna be so fun. We're going to be on a plane as well. It's her first plane ride. Her sister has already had plane rides before and she did amazing, and I think this one will also be the same. But yeah, I'm super excited for that, and I'm also going to do a packing video, some travel tips with toddlers and with babies as well, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, a lot of things to get done, but I also want to give myself some time to relax and to breathe a little bit now that I have some space to do that. So yeah, let's get as much done as possible, but in a very slow, productive way. So I took some time to look over our itinerary, the things that we need for our trip, our upcoming trip, and also made a list of all of the things that we need to pack for our trip. And I think I have everything here. I also was able to order all of the things that we still need for the trip that are a little bit some last minute buys that we will need. So things like a stroller fan we didn't really have yet, and I think it's going to be really warm there next week. I also bought a few things for my toddler for as activities, some little toys that she can play with while we're on our trip. So just little things like that I already ordered so that they're coming in the next few days and just in time for our trip. So because the packing list is complete, the things that we need to order is also complete and they're coming. I just will need to do the actual packing soon, and I'm also going to make a video on that. So stay tuned if you're going on a trip soon as well. If you're going somewhere with the family, then I'm going to share all of the things that we're going to be doing and all of the tips and hacks that we're going to be using for our upcoming trip. Now I still have a little bit over an hour before they come home probably, so I'm just going to have a little snack for the afternoon, and then after I have my snack I'm going to be doing some vacuuming, and maybe if I have some time still, going to fold some laundry. I don't know why, but I've always had this obsession with cereal. So I'm making myself a nice cold bowl of cereal, and I just topped it with some strawberries to make it somehow a little bit more healthy, a little bit more balanced.